Alright, hey guys, I'm here to do a quick look at my Madbull powder Shot-02 dummy airsoft grenade. I got this on evike.com for $16, and this is just the dummy one. I could have gotten the real one for like $50, but I didn't really feel like it, so I just got this one. It comes in a pretty nice little package. I'll open it up here. It's got this little instruction thing on the back that tells you like where you can use it and what you're not supposed to do with it. Yeah. Here it is. It's got fairly good weight to it. It feels very sturdy. Yeah. You got your metal pin, metal spoon, and then the metal head, I guess. And this thing flings up, and that flings off the spoon. So you take the two little hooks on the spoon, and then you clip it right around here. Pull down the spring-loaded thing, and put your pin in. And then when you pull out your pin, the hammer will fly off. There's a little hole in here. I don't know if you can see it, but you could like put BBs in there if you needed BBs like halfway through the game, or if you wanted to add weight, you could put like sand or something. I threw this at the ground, or not at the ground, but I threw it up like in the street, and it hit the ground really hard, and there's like no scratch on it at all. And I'm pretty sure it hit the foam because it didn't, the metal didn't cling or scratch, or so it's pretty sturdy. And it's got a nice weight to it. Very solid feeling. So yeah, that's my Madbull Powder Shot-02 dummy airsoft grenade. See you later.
Till I collapse, I'm spilling these raps long as you feel them. To the day that I drop, you'll never say that I'm not killing them. Cause when I am not, then I'ma stop.